What's up, you guys? You already know what time it is. It's your boy T.O.
And your girl Cardi Marie.
And today, you see in the title already, house tour.
House party.
Hey, house party. Hey.
So, it's our official house tour. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I don't think they're ready.
Miss Bay, yeah. Type of money I can move you state to state, ayy.
Just like that.
We have our beautiful kitchen.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
We gotta let them know it's stainless steel. Okay. Check out the marble. Oh.
Okay, follow me.
Let's follow her.
Then, we have our beautiful living room.
Yeah.
With our balcony.
Ooh.
With our beautiful balcony.
Ooh.
Should we go outside?
Yeah, let's take it outside. Let's take it outside, girl. Let's take it.
Look.
Ooh.
Good morning.
Ooh.
Follow me.
Let's
Then we
get.
have our washer and dryer.
Ooh, right outside, huh? Ooh.
So you gotta hear
Ooh.
that boom.
Ooh. Okay.
Alright, follow me. Let me go through.
Let's go this way. Let's go to one of the bedrooms.
One of the bedrooms.
One of the
Two-bedroom
bedrooms.
apartment, okay? Now
One
give
of
them a
the
whole view of what
Oh yeah, let me. Ooh. Oh yeah, let's see the lighting. The lighting's gonna be lit too. We can move those around, put it down. We can. Ooh, you see what it is? Ooh. Oh, let's go.
we got our second bedroom.
Oh, the second girl. Okay. It's a lot of space in here. Hold on. Let me give them the whole view. Okay.
Why are you showing the corner? Oh.
No. Oh.
This, right?
There you go. Wait, let me zoom in to you. Where you want me to come to you? Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm coming, baby.
Oh, there's a light in here.
Oh. Nope. In closet. Hey.
Oh. Okay.
Hey, anybody that want to stay over, this is gonna be your spot. This is your spot, okay? The closet is gonna be your spot.
And then.
Okay, let's hang it. Let's hang it then.
And then, are you ready? We have the bathroom.
The bathroom. Oh, this is just, look, same thing. Marble. Toilet. That's where I be shitting on all you niggas all day.
This is not our room, so you don't poop in here. Now follow me.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Are you guys ready for our room?
Are you guys ready for our room?
Are you guys
Are
ready
you
for
ready for our room? Okay, well, I think they are. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Let's show this first.
This is the bathroom.
No, let's show this first.
Okay, it don't matter.
All right.
Wait, say that, Zero. We gonna show what first?
We're gonna show our room first.
Okay.
And let's see what's in here.
Oh, what's in here?
Oh, another.
Oh, we got another.
Okay.
Like I said again.
Okay.
Whoever wants
All right.
to stay here, sleep right there.
You guys ready for this part?
Okay, let's go. Ooh. Ceiling flows. This is where we're gonna pretty much shoot all our videos at. Our room.
But that's not it.
Ceiling flows.
That's not it.
Views. Hold on, let me get it. Y'all get the point. Let's get it.
Let me sip my coffee to this.
Alright. Sip it.
Go ahead and come in our bathroom.
Oh yeah. Oh, you already know.
This is where I'm going to be taking my bubble bath.
You're gonna be taking hella photos right there. I already know Carly Marie gonna be bougie in the bubble bath, taking photos.
I do love the
We got
shower.
the shower. Oh yes. The shower is very sexy.
I love how they're separated.
Shower is very sexy. Now, let me sit down for a second. Oh, what's up? Hold on, let me zoom in just a bit. Okay. But let's show them this, you know. Like I said, the marble. I love the marble.
Let's just get him
You know.
again.
Show them that. Okay. Oh, slow game. Let's get it. Oh, let me take it back. Oh. Carly Marie. Love the ceiling flows. Woo. Woo. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, Carly. It's too bright. You gotta kind of close the blind. It's like very bright.
Thank you guys so much for watching our apartment tour. Yes.
LA, we here, baby.
LA, we are here.
LA, we here, baby. And you guys want to see more videos, more everything, just because Oaks and Marie do that.
But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe, player. That's what you gotta do. Subscribe, player. Yeah, and do all that. So.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We finally gave you guys an apartment tour.
Yeah.
And we will see you with our next video.
Yeah. Already know what time it is. Oaks and Marie.
We out.
Say what you want, but don't say it's over.